welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're putting together my Halloween coffee bar, and I'm going to change all this pink. I love pink, but it's gotta go during Halloween, right? No ounce of cuteness can be seen. I'm gonna remove all these items which I have here. I will link all the stuff in the description box below. I've got syrups, sakura flavored and rose flavored. This is my gooseneck kettle for my pour overs, which I typically drink. I've got a Hario V60 in pink here, and then also some of the pink items like my Carter mugs. I have 2 of them because they're so good, guys. Best kind of travel mugs for coffee. And then we've also got some pink scoops and a pink scissors over there, my sucralose jar which needs to be changed up, my filter container, and I've also got my coffee in this pink marble jar here, along with some Royal Mito Sakura flavored milk tea. And I've also got my mocha pot in the corner there, and the induction plate to put my mocha pot on the induction cooker. So all this has got to go, and I'm going to pull everything out and give it a deep clean. I am also going to do something about my KitchenAid and my Bruno, because they're both pink too. As usual, we need to set up the mood. I'm lighting up a pumpkin pecan waffle candle from Bath & Body Works, turning on Spotify and selecting a Halloween playlist, putting on my AirPods so I can get some personal audio space, and we're gonna make a pumpkin spice latte. Just gonna use the coffee materials before I start packing them away. I'm putting in my coffee, sucralose, a little bit of skinny syrups with a pumpkin caramel flavor, hot water, almond milk, pumpkin spice of course, and lots of whipped cream. See how careless I am. Then we've got sprinkles, and spraying some extra fine black glitter because I'm extra that way. People who know me well know I love pink, so everything in my kitchen is in reality pink. But Halloween's here, spooks. We gotta clean that up. The only thing that I keep on my kitchen is this black kettle that I have here. So I'm using my Soganics cleaner to spray it all around and give it a good wipe down. I use this brand throughout my entire house. It is a local Thai brand. It's so much more effective, cleaner, and safer. Also, it doesn't cost as much as I thought that it would. So I'm wiping down my kettle and also the base of the kettle over here and placing it right back at the corner. I want to show you this really cool gooseneck kettle to replace that pink gooseneck kettle. This is the Candy Corn Orange Brewista kettle. Best limited edition purchase. Candy orange matches candy corn so perfectly, and it's got all these really cool functions for increasing, decreasing temperature, keeping the exact temperature that you want for long periods of time, changing it to Fahrenheit and Celsius. Everything's so adjustable on this. It heats up super quickly. No regrets buying this kettle, although that means now I have 3 kettles in the house. Now we've got the bulky items at the side, and I've got this amount of space to work with. Looks narrow, small, but I've got the perfect board from IKEA, and I picked this up from their second chance section. Here's where I'm going to put the coffee items. So at first I've got my Death Wish coffee, and I got this canister out of Lazada. It's airtight, and you can adjust the dates of when you put the grounds in or your beans in. Then it also comes with this tiny scoop, and I'm just going to place it right here. I'm also going to put my scale over here, give it a good wipe down along with the rubber mat. And I purchased these 3 skinny syrups from a dropshipper in the US with pumpkin cheesecake, pumpkin spice, and pumpkin latte flavors. To replace the pink Hario V60, I got a limited edition Tetsukasuya V60 in black because there are no orange V60s apparently. Put my coffee filters around the back using the tray as a lift, and my double dead coffee from Raven's Brew. From the same dropshipper that sent me the syrups, I also got some Good Harvest caramel, apple, and hot buttered rum flavored coffees. I'm just going to slot it at the back there. Here we have some sprinkles because Halloween's all about candy and sweets. And I'm using a filter funnel to put it in a screw top test tube. And I've got 4 different kinds of Halloween sprinkles, which I'm going to put in an open top mason jar here. I also like more sweets with my bitters. I've got the Brock's pumpkin mallow creams and also the candy corn mallow creams, which I put into these tiny IKEA jars, labeled them with my Brother printer, and put it at the side here. Let's not forget pumpkin spice needs to be there. I got this from a local shop called Healthalicious. You can order from Lazada. And For sucralose, I decided to make these small little skulls, put them in this ceramic pumpkin, and put it on the tray too. This is Starbucks 2022 latest release. It's supposed to be a dog, but it looks more to me like a bat. So I want to put it there just for orange accents at the side of the corner and slot in my mini dash pumpkin edition with the wires underneath there. And for finishing touches, this sign even witches need coffee from Amazon, and I'm just gonna put it right on top there. For my pink KitchenAid, I discovered something called a blender cover, and this is really just sewn into the shape of the KitchenAid so that it wouldn't look really weird and awful. I'm just gonna slip it right over in the top and tuck the wires into the pockets on the side there. For the pink Bruno air fryer, I'm gonna make a little bit of adjustments here and add this cool Halloween cloth that I also got from Amazon. Well, that's the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think, any favorites, and don't forget to click that notification button, subscribe, like, follow, and share. See you guys in the next Halloween video.